Let's see how to send voice follow-up messages using your own voice, powered by ElevenLabs. So this helps you to increase conversions and push more people to interact with your chatbot as well. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, using ElevenLabs, you can actually create actual replica of your own voice. So here in voices, if you choose personal, you have the option to add your own voice. So here we have already created our own voice. So to create your own voice, you will need to upload some sort of recordings over there, and you will also need to verify it as your own voice. So here, professional voice cloning, you have to choose this option, and here we have already created a voice right here. So let's see how to use this particular voice on ElevenLabs, that's your own voice, to send any sort of follow-up messages on Instagram. This simply works on other channels like WhatsApp Messenger as well, but let me show a live demo on the Instagram right here. So here, first of all, let's choose a flow, and in flows you can actually locate this free templates folder. So here we are actually using that one of the free template to send follow-up messages on your own voice. So go to the comment automations. Here you can find request email address, send resource links, IG comments template. So let me open this one. So in this free template, you can also send a follow-up message. So for example, after we provide them with a free guide or link or lead magnet, you can also send a follow-up message in just a few minutes or a few hours, asking them if they got a chance to check out this particular free guide. So let's see how to create a follow-up message. For that, I want to actually duplicate this template right here, so I can create my own. Click on duplicate. Alright, it has been duplicated over there. So let me go to the comment automation folder once again. So here in comment automation, this is what we see. So let me rename this one right here, and let me say voice follow-up. So let me rename this one as send guide plus voice follow-up IG comments template, and click continue. So here I'm going to use this one, edit this one. So here I'm going to edit this one. So let me open this one right here. So here this is the first message it's sent to the customers. Hi, first name, we have a fantastic resource explaining about that benefit, and if they say yes, we ask for their email address, and after that we send them that particular guide within the DM, and also send them an email as well. So now let's actually add a follow-up message. So let's add a wait delay over here. So for this demo, let's add like 10 seconds wait delay just for the demo. After 10 seconds, I want to send a follow-up message. So if you want to send just a text follow-up message, you will be simply adding whatever the text message you want to send to them in 10 seconds. So let's say, hey, first name, did you get a chance to check out the free guide? If you have any questions, please let me know. So usually if you want to send a text follow-up message, you will add the text right here, but in this case we want to send a voice follow-up message, and using ElevenLabs we want to send in our own voice as well. So let's see how to achieve this one. So instead of a text follow-up message, we want to use an action over here. Actions, choose ElevenLabs over here. Choose ElevenLabs, and if you're not finding this sort of actions of ElevenLabs right here in your action block, it may be due to you haven't connected your ElevenLabs. So if you go to settings over here, integrations, choose ElevenLabs over here. So if you scroll down, you will see the ElevenLabs over here. You have to connect your API keys. So here in ElevenLabs, you can simply get your API keys and connect it over there. So once it is connected, you will be able to create any actions in the flow builder related to ElevenLabs. you have to input a particular text you want to use it there. So for that, let me simply copy the text we just created right here. So we don't need this particular text, so let me cut this one and let me delete this one as well. So here in the ElevenLabs integrations, I want to input this particular text. So this particular text will be converted as the audio or a voice using our voice. So here these are the default voices from the ElevenLabs. So here we also created my own voice as well. Choose my own voice, and where you want to save this particular voice file. So here let's create a voice file, and let's say voice follow-up and continue. So this particular text we have here will be transferred into a voice format in this particular voice and saved in the voice follow-up custom field. Simple as that. And you have to connect this one right here, and the final step is to send that particular voice note to the customer. So we have to add the send message block over here, and here we want to send a voice note. So choose file and audio and insert link, and we want to choose the AI follow-up message, this one. So I guess this one, or let's check this one. So it's voice follow-up. So you have to choose the correct field over here. It should be, so here choose so here type the curly bracket and choose the voice follow-up, because that is the response field where we are saving the ElevenLabs output right here. Simple as that. So now we're actually done with this creating the AI voice follow-up messages using ElevenLabs, and click publish. So now we can quickly test this, how this actually works. So for that, let me go to the auto marketing here. Alright, I'm in the auto marketing and choose Instagram comments automations, and let's actually create a new comments automation, and let's say voice guide. So let me name this one as guide voice follow-up and click continue. So let me choose all post, and for the private reply you have to simply choose whatever the flow we just created, send guide voice follow-up IG comments template. So here choose that particular flow right here, and for the public comment reply you can actually add something like this. Send you a DM sent. So you can add your own variations here, and here you can trigger these automations only if their comments on your reels or post contain some keyword. So let's say if they comment as guide, then only we want to trigger the automation, and here you can even delay this particular automation as well. For now, let's choose immediately and click save. Alright, let me activate this one right here. So let's make sure this is active as well, and let me quickly test how this actually works. So here let me go to this particular flow as well, and let me show my mobile right here. So let me open a random post over here and add a comment as guide, because that is the keyword we set up right there. Alright, I have just commented right here as guide, and it should actually trigger a DM for us. So let me go to the DMs over here, and as you see we just received a DM right here. So let me proceed. So let me tap on yes please, and it simply asks me for an email address right here. So let me enter the email address over here and proceed to the next step. So it should actually send them access to this particular free guide right in the DMs, and also it also sent this particular email to this particular email as well, and in 10 seconds we should receive a follow-up message in our own voice. And as you see here, we just received this particular voice follow-up message we set up right here in 10 seconds. So let me play this one and see what happens over here. So let me actually come to the inbox over here and let me play this one for you. Hey Robert, did you get a chance to check out the free guide? If you have any questions, please let me know. As you see, it simply send the follow-up message in my own voice, and it simply says, "Hey Robert," because we actually set up in the ElevenLabs input text, we also input the first name of the particular customer right here as well. So that's why in the follow-up message we send, it simply calls out the customer name as well. And that's how you can actually send follow-up messages using your own voice powered by ElevenLabs. And it helps you to increase more conversions on Instagram or any other channels using a chatbot automation. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.